So look what's finally installed. It's like midnight, so can't do a startup, but I'll do it tomorrow. We'll get some footage. This is insane. It just got like so loud. Oh, I love it. I love it. This is gonna be dangerous. Love it. Push it to the floor and hold it there.
What one?
The gas pedal.
Wait, well,
Right to the floor for like 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
there's 3 pedals.
The one to the gas pedal, the far right.
The one that is length like a foot?
Yeah.
Well, go press the other one.
Wow, more than that. There you go. Okay. You can hit VTEC in reverse, but I won't. Alright, well, the intake definitely does a big sound difference. I love it. Definitely worth the money and the time. It took us 3 hours to install because we had no idea what we were doing, but the next time we install it should take a lot less longer, and I will videotape it. It just got dark, so it was hard to videotape in the dark and try to see what we were doing, so I apologize for that, but I will make an install video when I take it out, put it back in. But it does sound 5 times better, at least 3 for sure. So you can hear VTEC engage like that. So much better than stock. Now I got the GoPro Hero 5 and the sound quality sucks, so I'm gonna get a microphone soon. Yeah, so if you enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and I'll have lots more of the intake and me doing pulls and hopefully more races. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Bye. Screw it, one more pull. Highway, merge.